In this video, you will learn about Canvas course announcements. You can use announcements to communicate course information to students. For example, you can remind students of upcoming coursework, share useful resources, or celebrate student success. To create a new announcement from the course homepage, click the New Announcement button. You can also create a new announcement and manage existing announcements from the Announcements page by clicking the link over here. You can search for an announcement by typing a keyword or username here in the search field. You can also view announcements you haven't read yet by selecting the unread option in this drop-down menu. The announcements options icon is signified over here by these three dots. By clicking an announcements options icon, you can delete or allow or disallow comments. You can also select multiple announcements at once. When you have an announcement selected like I do right here, you can see up here that you have options with a lock button, which will lock and unlock the announcement. And you also have a delete button to mass delete announcements that have been selected like this. You can create a new announcement by clicking the Add Announce button right up here. On the announcements details page that loads, you can add a title, which I will do right here. Then you can use the rich content editor right here to add and format your announcement content. So here I'll just type in, "This is another test." Click the Post to drop-down menu in order to select specific sections for your announcement to be published. You can also add an attachment, as you can see right here. Delay posting to a future date. Allow users to comment. You can enable a podcast feed, and you can allow liking. To save and post your announcement, click the Save button located right down here. Announcement notifications will be sent to users according to their notification preferences. To change course announcement settings, click the settings link in the course navigation, which is right down here, and click the More Options link by scrolling down to the bottom and selecting the blue More Options link. You can select the number of announcements that show on the home page, and you can disable comments on all announcements. You have now completed this Canvas overview on announcements. Thank you for watching.